How to find read receipts settings on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find read receipts settings on Truecaller. First open Truecaller and then click on your profile here. After that click settings and now just scroll until you find messaging and then just scroll down. Here you will find read receipts. Here is it. Now you can turn it off or on. It's easy, just turn it off or on and then go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.